Picture this. You're driving through an intersection with a green light, and out of nowhere, another car slams into your side. Suddenly, it's your word against theirs. I'm Cary Woods II, a personal injury attorney here in Florida. Today, I want to share a real case study about a T-bone accident at an intersection and how we proved who actually had the green light. If you or someone you love has been injured in a crash, don't wait. Reach out to my office today for a consultation. Let me start with a case I handled to just show you how complex these cases can get. One of my cases involved a he said, she said type of accident. My client claimed that he had the right of way. The other driver claimed she had a green light. However, after investigating the accident, speaking with eyewitnesses, it suddenly became clear to me that my client was not at fault. This investigation was critical and apparently not important to law enforcement. Our investigation, while time-consuming, was an important example of how much effort we put into handling each of our cases. Now, once we had the client's story, the real work began, proving what happened at that intersection. These type of cases hinge on evidence. The police report may be the first step, but it's not always the final word. In many situations, we dig deeper, looking for dash cam footage, surveillance video from nearby businesses, or even traffic signal data that shows the exact light cycle at the time of the crash. Eyewitnesses can be very powerful, but their memory fades. That's why acting fast matters. Getting statements right away makes all the difference. Vehicle damage itself can tell a story. Accident reconstruction experts analyze the angles, the speed, and the point of impact to build a picture of how the crash unfolded. And let's not forget road conditions, weather, or even faulty traffic signals can play a role. In some cases, liability doesn't stop with the other driver. Cities or even car manufacturers could share responsibility if a defective part or malfunctioning light contributed to the accident. Without an experienced attorney, it is easy for important evidence to get lost, or for insurance companies to twist the facts in their favor. In this case, we were able to gather the right evidence, push back against the insurance company, and make sure our client isn't left carrying the burden of someone else's mistake. So here's the bottom line. When you're injured in a T-bone accident, proving who had the green light is not always simple. But with the right lawyer by your side, you don't have to fight that alone. I'm Cary Woods II, and my job is to make sure insurance companies play fair and injured people get the justice they deserve. If you or a loved one has been in an accident like this, don't wait. Call my office or visit my website for a free consultation. Let's make sure your story is heard and your rights are protected.